Welcome back. Prime Minister's visit to Goa for the Liberation Day is still uncertain. He was supposed to visit Goa on 18 December to inaugurate Central Library, but sources say that the Union government is planning to have a debate in the Parliament on Lokpal Bill on 19th December. This proposed debate has reduced chances of PM visiting the state.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had announced that Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is expected to visit Goa on 18 December to inaugurate Central Library in Goa. As per the sources, government is planning to hold a debate on Lokpal Bill on 19 December. Prime Minister's visit may get postponed due to this debate. On the other side, Director of Art and Culture Prasad Lolyankar informed that Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has accepted the invitation to visit Goa to inaugurate Central Library on December 18th. But his visit is still not confirmed. Lolyankar said that department will receive confirmation within next 2 to 3 days. Our reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
District and Session Court at Margao granted anticipatory bail to Macazana Sarpanch Agnelo DCosta and his brother. Anticipatory bail has been granted on a condition that the duo would not intimidate witnesses in the case. However, Panchayat Secretary Sharda Veljikar is ailing at Hospicio in Margao. It is alleged that Sharda was assaulted by the Sarpanch and his brother. The Principal District Judge and Sessions Court Judge Anuja Prabhudesai granted anticipatory bail to Macazana Sarpanch and his brother on Thursday. They were granted anticipatory bail on a condition that they will not influence the witnesses in the case.
Anticipatory bail आमचे अलाउड केल्ली आसा, ग्रांट केल्ली आसा कोर्टान आनी 10,000ची शुअरिटी मागल्या. अरेस्ट केलो जाल्यार 10,000ची शुअरिटी ते सोडपाचो आनी should not tamper with witnesses आनी कंडिशन काय.
It may be recalled that in a heated drama at the Panchayat in Macazana on Wednesday, Panchayat Secretary Sharda Veljikar was allegedly assaulted by Sarpanch and his brother 2 days before that. The Panchayat Ghar was closed after a heated Gram Sabha on regional plan on Sunday. Our reporter in Margao, Savio Dias. Serials reach out to people more than movies. With this aim, writer Milind Madhgut has started shooting of a Konkani serial Mast Kalandar. The Muhurat shot was taken at Kurti Ponda.
The Muhurat of Konkani serial Mast Kalandar was shot in presence of Home Minister Ravi Naik, writer Milind Madhgut, producer Mahadev Kanolkar, assistant producer Dhananjay Karekar and others were present.
ही आयदनां म्हज्या घोवाच्या पयशांनी हांवें हाडल्या आनी जाय जाल्यार हांव आनी हाडटली. हांव कितें वता घोवाचें नांव घेता, घराक एक भुरगें दिवपाक शकलें ना. वांस ते वांस. हांव वांस मागीर भुरगें जायना त्या बायलेक वांसूच म्हणटा.
Writer of this Konkani serial, Milind Madhgut, feels that serials reach out to more people than the movies.
Big serial. हातूंत माय सुनी झगडीं आसात, बापूय पुताय झगडीं आसात आनी बरेच टर्न ट्विस्ट आसात जे मागीर कळटले. आनी अशी सिरियल काडपाचें कारण म्हणजे कितें आसा की आमी हरशीं सिनेमा काडपी लोक, सिनेमांतले लोक. जाता कितें सहसा सिनेमा लोकां पर्यंत पावना. आमकां अशें दिसता की लोकां पर्यंत पावप म्हत्वाचें. आमी खूब सिनेमा काडल्या पूण आमी मुद्दाम कोंकणी मालिका काडल्या की जी सगळ्या लोकांक समजूची आनी विशय एकदम सोंपो. कसो सोंपो म्हणजे एक कौटुंबीक जो घराघरांत घडूंक शकता, घडटाय असो विशय.
A reporter from Kurti, Vivek Prabhu.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.